And so, you know why I actually research on that? Because one night, because we have a dog during that time, Angel is still alive. We had this like sound, like like a monster sound. Yeah, ugly sound. And behind us are actually huge trees and everything. It's covered, but then it's a school laboratory, at the far end. So it's a wide area there at the back. And so you don't see the school from our side. Yeah, it grows like that. Yeah, like a monster kind. And so at first, actually, it was my husband who heard it, and he called me. He said, "Hun, there's like And then we waited for it again. It's really, really deep, and it's like close to us. That our dog is like scared, so scared. And so I was like telling my husband, we're not going to go out there at night, because sometimes he goes out there to smoke. And then, so no, we're not going to go out there. And I heard